Everyone who has ever worked has a story to tell. My story starts when I first entered the workplace, straight out of college. I was excited. My first job, and I'm in finance. Oh, happy day. I went in there dressed to impress, and I sat down behind the big desk, and I looked around, and there were piles and piles of unpaid bills, past due invoices, purchase orders, handwritten notes. And I'm thinking, where in the world do I begin? Just at that time, the finance officer walked in. She was impeccably dressed, designer suit, designer shoes. And she stood at the door and she smiled. We have a lot of work to do today, don't we? And she came towards the desk. She said, let's get all these bills off your desk. You don't have enough space there. So we gathered up everything that was on that desk. And then this is what she did that really impressed me. She got down on the floor on her hands and knees, and she said, now we're going to divide these by vendor name, and then we're going to get them in chronological order. We'll start from there. From that moment, I knew she was a good leader. She came in, she had empathy, she saw there was a need. Then, not only that, she was able to connect with me in a way or at a place where I was at the time, brand new. I needed some guidance. And we got there, and what seemed to be a mountain now looked like a tiny molehill because she had demonstrated a process to get through all this. So I knew she was an exceptional leader. And from that moment on, I trusted her. I was one that was in admiration of this leader. Oh yes, I was going to put forth my best. We were going to get it done. And I felt like there was nothing that could come into that office that we couldn't conquer. Great leadership will ignite the growth mindset in employees. And from that moment, a good leader has created a forever loyal employee.